Hey guys, today we're going to do a Lash Vault try on. I'm really excited because I've never tried any lashes from this brand. These all came out of my advent calendar that I got at the end of last year. So yeah, I've got 12 pairs here. My only critique is like, this is how they came in the advent calendar. So after I try them on, I feel like they're just going to be floating around my lash drawer and I'm not really sure how I feel about that. But anyway, so I'm just going to pick off the pile and we're just going to go. The first one that we have here is Adriana. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we have Adriana. I actually think these lashes are stunning. I love them. They're so full and fluffy and look really nice, really voluminous. I don't know what the word is, but I actually really like these. I feel very pretty wearing them, so that's great. The next style we're going to take is, I think this is pronounced sashi. I don't know. I'm sorry. Yeah, these ones look super full, so let's try them. Okay, so these are sashi. I really hope I'm saying that right, but I don't know. I actually quite like these as well. I think these are beautiful. So far, all of these lashes have been like super full, and I love a good full lash, you know. So that's sashi. They're super pretty. Next we have Sydney, and these ones look to be a little bit shorter, so I'm excited to try these. So I'm gonna go put those on now. Okay, so this is Sydney. I really like these as well. I think these are stunning. So far so good. I've really enjoyed these lashes. They all feel quite comfortable as well. So yeah, that's always a good sign. Next up we're going to try Sierra. I think that's how you say it. Hopefully these ones look to be the most kind of like natural that I have, so it'll be interesting to see how they go. But yeah, go put those on now. Okay, this is Sierra. I like these as well. So I feel like these are not like still like natural but still really nice, so I do really enjoy these. Super pretty. That's Sierra. The next pair that we have are called Amani. They look like this. Okay, so this is Amani. These ones are really nice as well. Actually, I feel like I'm really enjoying all of these lashes, so that's good. So Amani. Super pretty. I'm glad as well because I've been like reusing my Glam Light lashes to like absolute death, so it's about time that I get some new lashes. All of mine are so gross and crusty at the moment because I've just been reusing them. But anyway, next we have, I don't know how to say it, but I think it's Bojana. I'm not too sure, but these ones look like a lot bigger and a lot fuller, so we'll go pop those on now. Okay, these are Bojana. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I think these ones are beautiful. I actually quite like these. These might be a favourite. I say that, but I feel like I've liked every single pair, so I don't know. But yeah, these ones are really pretty. They're super big and fluffy, but I feel like they're still not like too over the top. So I really like these. I think these are gorgeous. Now, this next pair I have no idea how to pronounce. It's Capo D'Orlando. I'm really sorry. I have no idea how to pronounce these ones, but these also look to be like a little bit more natural, so I'm gonna go put those on now. Okay, so these are, I think it's Capo D'Orlando. Again, I'm really sorry for mispronunciation. These ones as well are a little bit natural, but I do quite like them. I feel like they're very pretty and they're just nice, like light pretty lashes, so I quite like those. The next one I have are called, I think this is Gazella. Hopefully I'm saying that right. These seem to be quite sparse but very like long, so I'll go and put those on now. Okay, these are Gazella. I think I like these. These might be like the first pair that I'm not completely sold on, but I am not gonna lie, like I feel like my eyelids are starting to get a bit over it. Like my mascara's not really there anymore and stuff, and I feel like I've got like little bits of glue all around. This is my second lash try on video for the day, so I feel like they're just starting to get a little bit crusty, which could be why. I feel like these ones don't look as nice. Like they're still pretty, don't get me wrong. I feel like they're just not my favourite that I've tried, but they're Gazella. Then we have this one, which is Sarita, I think. So those are our next pair. So I'm going to go and put them on. Okay, so we have Sarita. I actually really like these. I think they're really, really pretty. Super full, super fluffy. I just love a good lash, you know what I mean? So that is Sarita. These ones are actually really pretty. These might be a favourite as well. Next we have NY. These are our second last pair. Finally can see the light at the end of the tunnel. So I'm gonna go put those on now. Okay, so here we have NY. These ones are really pretty. Love it. Super pretty. And now we are on to our last pair. Thank God. After this I need to not put lashes on for a week because my eyes have just had it. I don't know how to say this one either. I think it's Arijana. I'm sorry. But yeah, so these ones look quite big and crazy. So I'm going to go put those on. Then we're going to be done. Okay, and this is our very last pair. Arijana. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know how to say it. I really like these. They're super pretty and super like out there, but I really quite like them. I've done an awful job at sticking them on. So sorry about that, but we are done. Oops. So overall, I'm really happy with these lashes. I think all of them are really, really nice. Some obviously like I like more than others, but across the board, like they all seem really nice quality. And yeah, so I'm really happy with these. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know down below if you've tried this brand and let me know what your favorite lash was. Bye.